I'm obsessed with design, and becoming an interior designer was a natural calling for me. I love to make homes for my clients that feel special and unique to them. Hi, I'm Katie Lydon. I'm an interior designer in New York City, and welcome to an apartment that we've recently renovated on Park Avenue. When I first saw the apartment, I knew it wasn't living up to its full potential. So what we did was open it up to let all the light in and maximize the flow. So let's take a closer look. I wanted to start things off in this apartment with a real wow. And I did that in this entry with these fabulous floors, which give all this drama to the space and establish that we've arrived. It's so important in design to surprise the eye. So you'll notice this beautiful metal banding we put on the walls. You'll see the use of reflective surfaces throughout the home, something that I established right here. Rounding out the entry, we brought in this great console table, this faceted mirror, and this fantastic sculpture, all of which are reflective surfaces. Can you sense a pattern? Here we are in the cozy seating area of the great room. In a large space like this, it's important to create different areas, but at the same time, they all still need to speak to one another. Here in this cozy living area, I did that with this huge sectional that I custom designed. It's unusually deep and has plush throw pillows, which adds to the overall comfort of the piece. In fact, everything in this apartment is custom built or custom specified by us. We continued the metal banding from the entry around the television, but we expanded on that thought with these metal architectural shelves. Aside from the soft grays that link the areas of this great room together, we used a high lacquer paint on the ceilings, which reflects the light and gives the illusion of much greater height. To counteract all the horizontal lines in this great room, we chose an oval table for the dining area. And we surrounded it with these very comfortable, custom-made dining chairs. The graphic detail in the area rug adds this great pop of pattern that further defines the area. The client entertains quite a bit, and they wanted us to create a bar area for them. We did that with this large, tall, silver leaf counter, which is the perfect place to have a cocktail before or after dinner. And speaking of dinner, can't you imagine this being the perfect place to prepare it? We use stainless steel cabinetry and these incredible countertops that will resist any attempts at damaging it. This is how you boil an egg on Park Avenue. This is really the oasis in the apartment, and everything was designed to that end. This room is actually quite large, and so the subtle use of textures, for example, the special wall finish, the fabric in the curtains, and the velvet on the headboard, all help to create this intimacy and warmth. This is also one of the few areas we used a nature theme. You can see that in the pillows on the bed, and the upholstery on the bench, which reminds me of flowing water, and the portraits of the owls. Even the lamps on the bedside table have an ice-like quality to them. And that nature theme was inspired by the private terrace that leads directly off this room. When our clients walk into this room, we really wanted them to feel that they were on a fabulous vacation every day of the week. This was any designer's dream project. I wanted to bring sophistication and elegance and some drama, and I think we achieved it here. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.